everyone, have a great and a wonderful greetings to all, and we are here again in the pronunciation English language. Actually, our topic for today is about how many consonant sounds. But first and foremost, of course, if you are new in our YouTube channel, just hit and click the button first to subscribe, and also you can follow us in our Facebook page, Pronunciation English Language. Anyways, to continue, of course, our topic for today is about how many consonant sounds. Actually, there are 24 consonant sounds in most English. Accents conveyed by 21 letters of the regular English alphabet, sometimes in combination E, G, CH, and TH. And what are the 24 consonants sounds? So the 24 consonant sounds are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, sometimes Y, and Z. But Y is often used as a consonant, but it is sometimes used as a vowel. So, and what are two consonants called? When two consonants together make a single distinct sound, it is called a consonant digraph. A good example of that is which makes a sound quiet, different from the S or the H on their own. When three consonants are combined to form a sound, it is called a consonant trigraph. So, and about the consonant blends, we'll go to the consonant blends now. A consonant blend is made up of consonants found next to each other in a word where you say the sound each makes as you pronounce the word. So, and what are the consonant blends? So, consonant blends can be 2 letters or 3 letters long. So, 3-letter consonants cluster or triple consonants blends at the beginning or end of a word. Okay, let's look at the word drink. Both the letter D and R are consonants, and they are directly next to each other at the beginning of the word. When the word drink is pronounced, you can clearly hear the sounds of both of these letters, making it a consonant blend. So for example of 2-letter L blend, when the second letter in a 2-letter consonant blend is N, L is called an L blend. Example of L blend would be, example, blend, blonde, blue, bleach, and etc. So another example of L with C, clum, click, clean, etc. So another example of L with F, flat, flower, flute. Another example of L with G, so glad, glasses, glaze. Another example of L with P, place, plan, please. Another example of L with S, slick, sleeve, sled. So about the 2-letter R blend, when the 2-letter consonant blend is an R, called an R blend. So for example of R with B, brain, broken, brim. Another example of R with C, crab, crumb, crib. Another example of R with D, draw, dread, drain. Another example of R with F, from, freezer, free. Another example of R with G. Grade, great, grocery. So another example of R with P. Practice, prove, prevent. Another example of R with T. Tract, trust, trade. So the two-letter S blend and T blend, when the first letter in a two-letter consonant is an S, it's an S blend. And when it's a T, it's called T blend. So for example of S blend with C. School, scribble, scale. Another example of S with K. Skunk, skate, skinny. Another example of S with M. Small, smart, smash. Another example of S with N. Snuck, snail, snake. Another example of S with P. Space, splash, speak. Another example of S with T. Stare, stop, store. Another example of S with W. Sweet, swallow, sweat. So another example, this one is T. T with W. Example of the word. Twinkle, 20, and 12. So, the three-letter consonants, so these consonant blends are made up of three consonants that aren't separated by any vowels, but you still say the sound of each letter when you pronounce the words they are in. For example, the blend of S, C, R. This is a three blend letter. Example, scrapped, scream, scratch. Another example with S, P, L. Example of a word, splash, splendid, splint. Another example of S, P, R. Sprain, spray, sprint. Another example of three blends, S, T, R. Strain, strobe, strake. So try to blend and learn it actually. So remember that many of these consonant blends probably look familiar to you since we all use words with them on a daily basis. So part of understanding actually how words sound in English is learning to use or recognize consonant blends activity. So see if you can make your own consonant blends sentences by using as many L blends, R, S, or T as you can in one sentence. So try it then. So that's all folks, and of course if you have any questions, just don't ever hesitate to inbox us in our Facebook page, Pronunciation English Language, or you can put a comment here in the comment section and ask in there, of course. Anyways, that's all folks, and thank you so much. Again, of course, if you are still not our subscriber, of course, just hit and click the button first to subscribe. Anyways, that's all for now. Thank you so much. Keep safe and God bless. Bye-bye.